Okay, we are starting with question number 3. Okay, starting with question number 3. Question 3 says that a 6-year bond of rupees 1000 has an annual rate of interest is 14%. The interest is paid half yearly of the required rate of return is 14%. What is the value of the bond? So here we have been given the information regarding the bond which is 6-year-old or which is going to be matured after 6 years. Its value is 1000 rupees. The coupon rate is given as 14% and the required rate of return is given as 16%. So starting the calculation, value of bond, ₹1000. यहां पर हम लोगों को ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला गया है that the bond is redeemed at premium or discount. So we are going to assume that the bond will be redeemed at par. So in that case, first of all, my interest is 14%. Interest is paid half yearly. So my interest divided by 2 will be 7%. So in that case, my total interest will be 7% of 1000 rupees. Or I would say interest divided by 2 will be 7% into 1000 rupees. So it will be 70 rupees. This will be my interest by 2. My KD is 16%. So my KD by 2 will be 8%. And N is 6 years. As it is half yearly paid interest, I'll be having 2N, which is going to be 12 years. So here we are actually going to calculate the value of the bond, which has a coupon rate of 7%, required rate of return is 8%, and redeemed after 12 years. Here my interest by 2 and KD by 2 both are in the integer amounts, or I would say my KD by 2 and 2N both are in the integer amount. So I am straight away taking the shortcut method. My intrinsic value equals to interest by 2 into PVIFA 8% 12 years plus F into PVIF 8% 12 years. So here my interest by 2 is 70 into 8% 12 years PVIFA. It will be 8% 12 years. It is equal to 7.536. 7.536 plus my F will be 1000 into PVIF 8% 12 years. So it will be 0.397. 0.397. So now 70 into 7.536. It will be 527.52. 527.52 plus 1000 into 0.397 will be 397, which will make my intrinsic value of bond equals to 924.52. 924.52 rupees. So this will be my intrinsic value of the bond in question number 3. Now, going forward to question number 4. Question number 4 says that R.D. Gupta recently purchased a bond with rupees 1000 face value at 10% coupon rate and 4 years to maturity. The bond makes annual interest payments, and the first to be received 1 year from today. Mr. Gupta paid rupees 1032.40 for the bond. What is my yield to maturity? So basically we are supposed to find out the YTM. अब यहां पर क्वेश्चन पहले ये आता है जो भावनगर सेंटर ने पूछा था कि क्या ये बॉन्ड ट्रेडिशनल है या नॉन ट्रेडिशनल है. ऑफ कोर्स बॉन्ड की जिस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है उस पर से साफ पता चलता है कि ये ट्रेडिशनल बॉन्ड है, क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट हर साल के एंड में पे किया जा रहा है और इंटरेस्ट की अमाउंट चेंज होने के बारे में कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है. दूसरी चीज कि इंटरेस्ट रेगुलरली एन्युअली ही पे किया जा रहा है. तीसरी चीज जो 1032.40 की मार्केट प्राइस है वो इन्वेस्टर ने इन्वेस्ट करते समय ही पे कर दी है. सो हियर इट इज सेइंग दैट इट इज ट्रेडिशनल बॉन्ड. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स इज वेदर वी शुड यूज द शॉर्टकट मेथड और वी शुड यूज आवर 5 स्टेप मेथड. इसमें मैं एक और चीज आपको बता देना चाहता हूं कि जब भी हम लोग शॉर्टकट मेथड करेंगे यहां पर हम लोगों को अप्रोक्सीमेट YTM मिलेगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर इज व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड, whether they have asked to calculate YTM or whether they have asked to calculate approximate YTM. अगर approximate YTM कैलकुलेट करने के लिए पूछा गया है तो हम लोग ये शॉर्टकट मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम लोगों को YTM पूछा गया है then we have to do the 5 step method. So here we are going to do the 5 step method for YTM as well as for YTC. और इसी क्वेश्चन में जो गायत्री सेंटर ने पूछा था उनकी क्वेरी का भी यहां पर आंसर आ जाता है कि वाई YTC. YTC हम लोग कब कैलकुलेट करेंगे? लुक एट द सेकंड ऑप्शन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट इफ द बॉन्ड कैन बी कॉल्ड 2 years फ्रॉम नाउ एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 1100, what is yield to call? So here the company is calling back the bond. So in that case, we have to calculate YTC. Is it clear? Bhavnagar Center, Rajkot Center. Okay, now starting with question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ये कहता है कि जो बॉन्ड मिस्टर आरडी गुप्ता ने खरीदा है उस बॉन्ड की फेस वैल्यू 1000 रुपए है. फेस वैल्यू इज 1000 रुपीज.